Hello and welcome. This is Ahmad Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com coming to you today with a brand new system. And I want you to pay close attention here because even if you have been struggling for a long time trying to make sales or recruit people, and that's the only way to earn, then what I'm going to share with you today is completely different because this system can generate a recurring daily passive income. There is no selling required, no recruiting, and no complicated skills to learn. You just need to plug in, set up the system once, and the system will automatically work behind the scene to generate passive daily income. And this is not going to be like a very small income. It has the potential to build up to big recurring daily income. So pay close attention and watch this video very carefully. What if you could generate passive income online without selling, without recruiting, without learning complicated skills, and without spending hours working every day? Let's be honest, most online methods are overwhelming. They require marketing experience, constant effort, and daily grind. But this is different. This is a structured AI powered system that requires a simple one time setup, and once activated, it works automatically in the background, designed to generate recurring income without having to manually sell or chase anyone. No tech skills, no complicated tasks, and no daily workload. Now, if you'd like to see what this passive income system is and how it works, click on the first link in the description below to get access to learn all the details about this system and how it works exactly. And I'll see you on the next video on the other side.